Strawberry ko. Kung anong dinaan ng packet, ay hindi pabalik, no? Sa Camp 1, sa Camp 2, may CR tayo doon. Magsabi lang kayo, no? Pag nasi-CR kayo. Right side lang po.
I-flashlight niyo daw siya.
Pagdating may first akong ganahan.
Uy, mainit.
Pwede ka na matulog.
Asa na yung sama? Hindi pa. Dito.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine.
Merong clearing sa taas, ma'am.
Opo, meron naman po.
I gotta let you know.
Pangatlong araw na.
Ganda. Lamig nga kuya eh.
Video nag-ice.
Hindi naman. Pero malamig siya. Ah, nag-ice ba?
Ay, kasi.